Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. We're going to run the China 110 versus the KLX 110 with a 143 big bore. I'm going to race Anthony, then we're going to swap out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. We're growing pretty fast, so hook us up. Subscribe. Let's go. So you can get a view of the one. I think this is like an 01 KLX 110 with a 143 kit on it. You can tell it's a 143 because it's got stamped on the cylinder head. I bought it like that, so I'm gonna get this thing started up, let it warm up, and we're gonna hop on, put the motovlog setup on, and gonna get out of here. It sounds like he's coming back wide open right now. Get a little thumbnail real quick. Again, don't just view it, click off, subscribe. If you want to watch some videos, you got some other ideas you'd like to see, we're open ears. Could always use new ideas, so make sure you subscribe, hit the button, hit the like button, get our video out there. Alright, we'll do run one. You better be ready, because I'm going to steal on you. You ready? You sure? Alright, on your mark, get set, go. Oh! Oh, no! Come on! No! We are maxed out. That was a good one. Alright, I popped a little wheelie. See if I can get off the line better. I might even start out in second gear. I'm going to try second gear. On your mark, get set, go. Lean down. He's got me all gear. Now he's a 4-speed and I'm a 3-speed. So if I had another gear, we'd have it. Or if I geared mine differently. So like if I went up a gear on my front sprocket, I'd be a lot better off. You ready? You mark, get set, go. Come on, Delilah, come on! We got him! Oh! Come on! And we're maxing out. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's do it really real quick. Hopefully I don't crash it. Alright, so I'm like 170 pounds. I'm definitely overweight. He's probably maybe 100 pounds. I don't even know what he weighs. On your mark, get set, go. He got a crappy start. On your mark, get set, go. Oh man, he is way faster. Dang. Yeah, that bike definitely has more oomph with the 143 on it. Way more. Alright, this time I'm going to start out in second gear. On your mark, get set, go. He stalled out. Your mark, get set, go. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's looking back at me. What a flex. Oh, he's letting off on me. That's so mean. Oh, God. Little flex artist. He's just showing off. Oh, gosh. I got over it, man. I got over on boat bikes. I'm just too fat. That's the problem. I'm just too fat. Alright, if you liked that video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for us. If you got any ideas for us on anything to do with the dirt bikes, make sure you comment them down below. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know, it's hard to say which one's faster. If I'm on either of them, I lose. But he outruns me harder on my KLX than he does his bike. So the 143 is definitely a step up. So we're going to go. And stay tuned for the next video. We're about to go to what I call the jungle. I quoted it on the video that you stalled out. He's not used to jumping the clutch during a street race, so he stalled out. We're going to see you later.